while resolving the present problem, it holds all the states and the central government, starting from me down to everybody, accountable to the people of India. And we'll be closely monitoring each other's work through the MOUs which we'll draw up with the states, which will have a trajectory of improvement in performance, operational efficiency. It will bring down cost of interest, bring down losses. This close accountability and monitoring was never there in the past. B, it's not a solution which talks only about passing the buck. It talks about operational efficiency and reducing the cost of power itself. And the third big thing is it has a permanent resolution. No other scheme in the past ever addressed and brought in a hard budget constraint so that for future posterity, nobody can leave behind a power sector. I want to make sure no government for the future can ever play with the power discoms and the power sector.
All right, point taken, Mr. Goyal. In fact, I also want to ask you, as far as the pan-India rollout of Uday is concerned, what's been the response so far to the proposal, and do you foresee any challenges when it comes to the pan-India rollout? Because at the end of the day, that's what you would want. You would want it to be you would want Uday to be implemented nationwide in a smooth manner.
If I had made it compulsory, there would have been a lot of resistance and a lot of challenges. Today it's optional. People are free to join. But then I discussed with each state well before I even brought Uday to the cabinet. So Uday has evolved with discussions with all the states, banks, bankers, investors, all stakeholders. Uday is not a top-down approach. It's a bottom-up approach. And to my mind, there is no challenge. There is only a win-win for all stakeholders. And I expect all states to come on board.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.